Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Hustle Williams, and today we're going to go talk about week 4 of my investments. And as you can see right now, so far for the day I'm down $1.54 with all my investments, but that's okay because I want to show you guys something super cool that I've been watching that just happens to be working. Even though my overall investments are down, the one that I'm really trying to pick up and buy is doing super fantastic, and that is this guy right here, ARR. So ARR, Armor Residential REIT, has been doing exceptionally well over the past week, over the past month, over the past 3 months. It's been on a steady climb. So I'm super excited to be a part of this right now, and this is my favorite dividend because it is high risk, high reward. So what do I mean by that? So basically with this stock right now, with Armor Residential REIT, it's giving out 17 cents per share. So what that means essentially is that every share that you own, you're going to make a dividend monthly income of 17 cents. So my goal right now is to buy as many of these stocks as I can. Hopefully the dividend stays the same. So one reason why this stock has been so risky is that it is consistently going down over time. Over the 5-year span, you can see that the stock has gone drastically down from some of its highs all the way to 24 and up down to its lowest at 1630. And I believe right now, since the markets are still doing really rather well, we're on an upswing, and right now the stock is selling at 1911. At its highest today, it was about 1922, which is pretty high. So I've been buying this stocks pretty low. On average, I've already made over $4.48 on this stock alone. It's one of my favorite stocks. So, but the best part about this is its dividend, which you can see right here. So right now, this is giving me a dividend amount for a number of 6 shares. So I own 6 as it states right here, but altogether I have 9. So I gotta wait for this to update. As you can see, it says 9 shares right there. And my dividend so far for the January dividend that's going to be paid out is going to be $1.02, which is fantastic. So for right now, about every single dividend that I buy, it's going to be about 17 cents. So for every 6 that I get, it's going to be a total of $1. So my goal right now is to buy at least 3 a week. Sometimes I'll do more. My goal is to average around 6, because for every 6 I gain $1. So I'm going to keep trying to invest in it. And the stock right now is only $19.11. So for $120, you can buy 6 of these and you'll make $1 every single month, $12 a year. And we're going to try and bring this up to, I'm probably going to try and get it up to $20 at first and then see what we can do from there. For every single stock that we own, we're going to make $1 off of that. So if I gain $20, and I'll have $240 for the year, so that would be spectacular. And we're just going to keep on trying to buy these stocks up little by little and just take a piece of the puzzle. So right now we have 377.97 invested. I will be diversifying my portfolio as we move forward. As you can see, the value of it has decreased over time. I mean, 1 week we're down $4.14. 1 month I'm down $4.18. Over 3 months, $3.17. But for the year, I'm still up $4.06. For $377, that's still not that bad. And with that being said, we're going to keep on investing and trying to keep gaining the momentum on these stocks. So like I said before, my favorite is ARR, and I'm going to keep trying to buy at least 3 a week and diversify from there. So about 3 is averaging about $50-$60, somewhere around in that ballpark, between 50 something and $60. So that's not that bad for the average investment to yield at least 50 cents off of that, 51 cents to be exact, for every 3 shares. And then as you buy 6 altogether, you're going to be making $1.02. So that's going to be our game plan moving forward. and that's how I feel about Armor Residential. So let's talk about Main. Main Street Capital has been doing, it's been a mixed bag with this one. Over the year, it's still up $7.97. My total return is still only $1.10. So it's been performing pretty well. Rakuten has just been steadily declining. I'm making no money off of this, and it's just one of those stocks that I bought individually so that I could own, because I support Rakuten. I supported them. They gave me a whole bunch of cash back. I thought they were, you know, it's a decent way to support them. So I'll probably sell this off eventually, but I'm going to hold it off until it's in the green. Wells Fargo has been all over the place again. They are actually on the decline. So what I would probably do is buy. Most analysts are saying 19% say buy, 59 say hold, 22 say sell. So I'd probably buy it up. I mean, it's been on the decline for a while now, so I would still buy it. I still think the stock is worth it to hold, but it's up to you. I've already lost $5 on this, but I see it returning. I'm just going to hold on to this stock. I'm not trying to get rid of it. Bank of America is another one that's pretty much all over the place. 3 months, it's been up $2.78. My total return on it is negative $3.11, so I lost $3.11 on this altogether, which is not bad at all either. I'm just going to wait till it goes back up. Over the year, it's still increasing, so I'm pretty sure it's going to keep increasing further. I'm just going to hold out on that one. So guys, I wanted to say, like, that is my investing portfolio as of right now, and that's where we are on investing. So I want to say thank you guys for sticking with me and being a part on this journey, and I hope you guys, if you want, check out some of my stocks. You can also get a free stock. I'll leave the link in the description. And also, if you like this and all the content I'm talking about, if you could give this a thumbs up, and if you could also give me a like and leave a comment, that would be so awesome. And hit that subscribe button, guys. Please hit that subscribe button. It means the world to me, and we're just going to keep pushing forward. I'm going to try and deliver more videos to you guys, and better quality camera, hopefully coming soon. Fingers crossed. And we'll just get these videos out to you. So I want to say thank you guys for sticking around and checking this out, and peace.